and you're welcome to Dr. Franca Show. I want this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all our numerous viewers. Thank you so much. I value your contributions. Today's episode, I'm happy with what I'm going to talk about. I wanted to say it so long, and I can't wait to say it today. So today I'm talking about beauty perceptions, and I've themed it beauty perceptions whose opinions count. You find out why I've said that. So I have to say straight off, do not let someone else's opinion of you define who you are. You see, I've marveled at the different beauty perceptions from country to country. The beauty standards of Europe, America and Africa are completely different. What is regarded as beautiful in the Europe or America is quite different from what's regarded as beautiful in Africa. In Africa, big women, plump women, fleshy women are regarded as beautiful. While in Europe, America, skinny women are regarded as beautiful. So when a woman who is regarded as beautiful because she's plumpy, she's fleshy in Africa, when she gets to Europe, does she suddenly turn ugly just because her plane landed 6 hours later in another continent? The answer is no, of course. And also, when a skinny woman from Europe gets to Africa, does she suddenly become ugly just because she came to Africa? The answer is no. And this is why I think this, whose opinions count. So you can now see that it is your opinion of yourself that counts. Do not let other people set standard of how you should look like, because you keep getting disappointed when you travel from country to country. So are you saying somebody in Africa should add weight, and when he gets to Europe, you lose weight just to satisfy society over there? No. When you want to lose weight because of your health reasons, I say do that because of health reasons, not because of what society has said you should look like or not look like. You are made whole and believe you are good the way you are. So I say to you, in whatever country you find yourself, feel happy and be happy the way you are. Be happy the way you are made, because you are made whole. And with that, your self-esteem remains intact, and nobody should toy with that. Thank you. Till next time.